filing your federal brewer's report of operations in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how the report pre-fills from your production data, how to review it before it's official, and how to file it. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Compliance, TTB Filing from your dashboard. This is where you file your Federal Brewer's Report of Operations, TTB Form 5130, for a reporting period. Select the period at the top, then click Generate Report. It pre-fills from your production data, beginning inventory, what you produced, what you removed for sale or consumption, and ending inventory. Review each field against what you know happened. This is your last check before it becomes an official filing. If a number looks wrong, don't file yet. Go check your monthly operations data first. Once everything checks out, click Download PDF to keep a copy for your records. Then click File. The status updates to filed with a timestamp, so you and your team can always see it's been submitted. This same page also holds your wine premises report and excise tax filings, if your license covers those.